Aronson welding positioner with powered raise and lower, variable speed, power tilt with pendant control. Machine is in for refurbishment or will be sold fully serviced. DC drive, input power 400 volts, 3-phase with neutral, forwards and reverse. More details to follow on the website. Very strong welding positioner, over engineered, American built. Thanks for watching. If you like more details, please email welding@westermans.com, or more details can be found on the web. Thanking you for looking.